You're watching Outside. Our next guest is a longtime friend, Lisa McCoy. You've been on for so many different topics here. Such a wealth of knowledge in the Mount Washington Valley and beyond. Today we are talking about Tin Mountain and their first season dinner and auction. Welcome to the show.
Thank you so much, Chris, for having me back. It's great to be here.
We're recording this in March, and just this morning, I was walking the dog. The vernal streams are starting to pick up. It's beautiful. The birds are chirping. It is that first season time of year, and for Tin Mountain, that means a big event.
Yes, it's one of our biggest fundraisers, and it's really an amazing time for everybody in this community to get together. And the idea is kind of you come out of your hibernation, you attend this dinner, you see all your friends that maybe you haven't seen throughout the wintertime, and you get to support an amazing organization here in the Valley that does a lot of great work for kids and adults.
Yeah, let's talk more about that before we get into the logistics of the event itself. Tin Mountaiin Conservation Center, located on Bald Hill Road in Albany.
Yep.
What's their mission? What do they do?
Yeah, so the idea is to really foster a deep appreciation for nature and for the environment in which we live. And we do that through programs for kids here in the Mount Washington Valley and beyond. You know, we go up to the kind of North Country and, over to Freiburg, and through adult programming as well. I mean, if you go on the Tin Mountain website, you can look at all the different options for, going out for learning about, flora, fauna, birds, swamps and climate change, all these different topics. There's speakers and, just all sorts of different ways that you can plug in and get a better understanding and appreciation for this beautiful valley that we live in and beyond.
Right. We were talking with the ESSC, Eastern Slope Ski Club, last week, and their mission is to get local kids who grew up in the ski community out on the snow. And I feel like Tin Mountain has a similar mission. They do a lot of work with the school kids in the valley as well to help educate them about, we're very fortunate up here in the White Mountains to be surrounded by such an amazing ecology that it brings it home to these kids and adults too.
100%. So that, this fundraiser, this dinner and auction is a way that you can connect to that community and also support the work.
It's always good to be thinking a couple of seasons ahead, and I understand Tin Mountain's kids' summer camps registration is now open.
Yes, it is now the time that you must go on and register if you want to sign your kid up for those kids' camps for this summer. They do sell out, so it's definitely great to get in there and to sign your kid up.
A lot of great options to choose from too. I know they have everything from wildlife to my daughter years ago did a farming camp where they visited local farms throughout the valley, and they helped with different animal chores. It was a lot of fun.
Yep.
So it's a nonprofit. Tin Mountain is a nonprofit, and one of their biggest fundraisers is this first season event. What are you looking for? Are you looking for people to attend, to sponsor?
Yeah, so there's different ways that you can support this dinner and auction. So first, you can buy a ticket for the dinner, and those are on sale. You go on to firstseason.org is the website, and you can get a ticket for dinner. They're $95. Tickets do go up in price the closer you get, so just a week before the prices, or 2 weeks before the prices go up. And an alternative would be to donate something that you have. If you're a business and you're, you have something that you could physically donate, or a gift certificate. So like the International Mountain Climbing School, we're donating a day of, private guided ice climbing. And so that will be on the online auction side of things. Or if you're interested in being a sponsor of the event, we have many different kind of local businesses that are kind of sponsors. So there's many different ways that you can support it.
Very good. How do they get in touch? How do they buy tickets?
So buy tickets are on firstseason.org. And then you can also see contact information there, so you can give us a call. So if you're a local business and you're like, oh, you know what, this sounds great, I really want to support this. I want to get a table for some of my employees or a group of people to come. You can just give us a call and we can help you set it up.
It's very fun. It's kind of a who's who of the Mount Washington Valley. Everybody shows up, and you celebrate the start of a new season.
Yeah, and I'm really excited. We're at the pub on Page Hill,
I was just going to ask, have we mentioned where we're holding it this year?
And we're really thrilled. This is a beautiful venue. They have this gorgeous barn and one of the best views, so hopefully we get a nice clear night, in the whole Mount Washington Valley. So they've done a really nice job.
It's a little, right now it's a hidden gem, a well-kept secret, but I don't think it's going to stay that way for long because it is an absolute stunning venue, and their pub is really good. Their gluten-free pizzas are amazing.
Oh, I don't think I've ever had one of those.
Yeah, you wouldn't even know it's gluten-free. It's fantastic.
It's good to know.
Yes, and then Mount Chikorwa is just staring you right in the face across the field. So
yeah, so the dinner itself is at 5:30, and we'll have a little kind of cocktail hour, and then we'll have a seat, and it's a plated dinner. And then we will do some auction items that are live. And so we'll do some kind of bidding right there on site during the dinner. And then the auction itself is online, and that kicks off the next day at 9 a.m. And
so much fun.
So most of the auction items are online.
And again, firstseason.org is the website to go for more information, either on sponsoring or getting tickets. And a lot of fun. Did we miss anything?
No, I don't think so.
All right, Lisa McCoy representing Tin Mountaiin Conservation Center today. Get your kids to sign up for summer camp. Get your tickets for first season auction.
Oh, we did forget something.
Okay.
Very other important Tin Mountain event.
Oh, yes.
Can't forget. Registration is now open also for the Mount Washington Bicycle Hill Climb, which happens on August 17th. And so I'm expecting that the registration for this event will sell out, not too short order. So, we had pre-registration for folks that had tried to run, do this race last year, and it's almost halfway full already. So don't wait. If you're a biker, you road bike, this is the event that you want to do.
And if people want to register for that, you have to act fast, but where's the website to do that?
So it's mwarbh.org.
There you go.
I know that's kind of a mouthful. Or you just Google Mount Washington Bicycle Hill Climb, and you'll find it.
There's probably a link on the Tin Mountain website as well.
There's definitely.
Tinmountain.org, I think is that one.
It is.
Why do we even try to give URLs anymore?
Right. I know. Just Google.
Google, take me.
Yeah.
All
take
right.
me there.
Lisa McCoy, thank you so much for joining us.
All right, Chris. Thanks for having me. It's great to be here.
You're watching Outside.